Let's take a closer look at how we can customize our proposed design using parameter settings. After you've selected the type of clothing and entered your individual body measurements, we'll show you a 3D view of the product and patterns. At the same time, by default, we'll use standard product lengths and shapes as well as a standard fit. You can change all this by adjusting the garment parameters on the left. There's a question mark icon next to each parameter. Click on it, and you will see what this parameter affects and how the pattern will look at its minimum and maximum values. Using the examples of straight trousers, I'll show you how to adjust the parameters of the product. Let's start with the fact that at the very top, you can choose the fit of the trousers: regular, comfort, or slim. Next, you can lengthen or shorten the trousers by changing the parameter of the trouser leg length. Make them wider or flared using the width and flare parameters. You can make the lines more or less smooth along the silhouette of the trousers using the front straight and back straight parameters. Using the front dart depth and front dart width parameters, you can change the depth and width of the front dart. The trousers can also be narrowed or expanded along the line of the back and front waist by moving the slider at the back waist and front waist parameters. It's possible to adjust the depth and width of the seat line in the trousers using the vertical depth and horizontal depth parameters. The width at the bottom can be adjusted using the bottom width parameter and make the trousers flared from below on both sides. The depth and width of the back darts can be adjusted using the slider on the back dart depth and back dart width parameters. Separately, you can adjust the seam to the knee, bend or straighten using the parameters bottom bell height outseam and bottom bell height inseam. The silhouette of the hips can change using the hip height parameter. We also have the option to show the pattern before changing the parameters to compare the difference. Just check the box marked Show Previous Pattern as well. The pattern will be displayed as a red dotted line before making the changes. And to make it convenient for you to plan the layout of patterns on fabric, we've provided a Pattern Layout button. Click on it, select the required roll width, and we will calculate what length you will need. It's just that simple and fast.